have to go find my friends. I wonder where they are. Oh, there they are. Wait, why are they on a skateboard? Let's go get them. Hello, guys. Hey, Tiffany. How are you? Oh, I'm good. Oh no, Kiwi fell off. Call 911. Okay, I just left my phone back at the car. Let me go get it.
Ooh, free phone, lucky me.
Hey, that's my phone. Give it back.
Ha ha ha, I'm never giving it back now.
Please, my friend's in trouble.
Too bad, take this. Ha 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 ha. You'll never get out of there. Mwahaha.
What are we gonna do? Wait, guys, look. There's a frog here, too. Look, it got out. Wait, come back, little frog. Hey, everybody watching, I need your help to get the bunny and the frog out. Like and subscribe in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Yay, we're free! Comment powers on the video to give us powers.
You may have escaped, but I have now.
The viewers gave us powers.
Ah, why am I giant purple?
We used the powers the viewers gave us to turn you into a monster.
Turn me back, please. Thank you. Here is your food back. I am sorry.
It's okay.